So that's the difference. Those are the flush doors, good for bedrooms. Hollow core molded doors, good alternative for solid doors. Honeycomb core pre-painted doors, and the solid core molded doors, multi-layer collection of wood, and best for main doors, kiln dried, ready to install. So this is the unengineered door, 90 by 210, 4,007 pesos. So these are wood deck molded. $1,609. So this is the other design. I will also show you a sample of the cabinet doors. These are laminated cabinet doors, like the tall one in cherry, 386 by 1850 mm, 1250. Comes in light cherry, dark cherry, and really dark, like look like black, is 1425. So this, the drawer facing doors, like laminated drawer face, that's 148 pesos. That's 203 by 406 mm. The smaller one, 203 by 356 mm, 8 by 14, 130 pesos. That's the design. This is 8 by 12, 113. So it's just to give you an idea, but these are the prices, like laminated doors for your kitchen cabinets. If you just want to install it immediately without painting, or you can have it in plain, like that one is 114 by 30 Jimelina wood by Design Craft, that's 455. This is 12 by 30, 393. And you can see the different sizes. And you got this long one, have 735 closet doors, 32 by 210, 735. Got a wider one, it's 820. So these are the laminated type. Drawer face, lighter, 8 by 12, 8 by 12. You got it on doors, laminated. Black walnut, 335. That's the size, 305 by 610 mm. 335. This one with 305 by 610 mm. That's 489. This is 489. There's 447. About 400 to 600 pesos is the laminated doors. From 40610 by 210, 356 by 762. That's 489. 356 by 762 mm, 489. 14 by 305 by 16 mm, 489. So the range is about the laminated doors pre-painted is about 450 to 500 pesos. Wood the sizes of 408 by 356 mm by 610 mm. These are not the painted doors. And their sizes 406 by 762, 16 by 30 inches. That's 557. So 557. There's 455 for this size of doors, 14 by 30. So the sizes is 406 by 752 mm. And the wooden doors. They sell different door jumps. They're in different color. They got the metal one. That's 90 by 210 for 1080. Door jamb. That's 2 by 4. This one. No price. 25. This is like 2 by 6 by 7. 25 still. This is 2 by 5 by 7 is 1850. Two panels, 4 panels, 6 panels, all in radiative pine and red oak. They got the Laos cherry, 2 panels and 6 panel, ash wood, and mahogany or Gimelina made. These are the design. These are the sample of unpainted door here in Citi-Hardware. These are hardwood, 80 by 210 cm. This design is 3850. It's just a simple design. Yes, 80 by 210 cm. Next design. It's like a plain door with carve on the middle. You can see that there's like a carved thing here. There. The design craft is a solid door, kiln dried, sanded finish, ready to install. Got a design that's 5,007 pesos. 80 by 210 cm. Again, another design by Design Craft. $80 by 210. That's 4,795. This one, another 80 by 210. It's like a plane in the middle by Design Craft. It's a solid wood door, sanded finish, ready to install for 5,207 pesos. This is Osaka door, 80 by 210. That's the price. Solid hardwood. It does not come with jambs, only the doors. This is another 80 by 210 by Design Craft. The price is 5,413. Engineered wood paneling door. This one, another design, 80 by 210, lightly colored. That's 5,413 again. This one, it's 80 by 210. It's still 5,413. This is another design. Solid door, engineered, treated, sanded, and ready to install. Again, 5,413. Another design. This is Design Craft door, 5,413, same price. So these are the different design that they do. This one are the hollow core molded doors. Best for bedroom doors. They have it in Sukhothai, white primered, Gravoti, Lana, Siam, and these are all the design for the white primer, and the lacquered white finish is F1. So this is the price. They are cheaper. They are 70 by 210 for 1,580. This is 70, depends on the design. There's 1,609, 1,580, so they range about that price. So that's the hollow core molded doors. These are the wood effect molded doors by Shankala. This is 2,507. It's hollow in the middle. These are not solid wood. So this is 80 by 210. This is 2,507, this design. And this design, again, it's 2,507. This one is 2,507 as well, but they got the bigger one. It's 4,007 pesos for 90 by 210. These are the hollow doors. These are flush doors. This is how it's made. Plywood. So there is a finger joint plywood. There's usually used for indoor. They're marine plywood, ordinary plywood, thick veneer, or frame coating. So you can see there's like a joint on the side. But the prices for flush doors is like this one, 1,830 for 80 by 210, 1,609 for 80 by 210, 1,609, 80 by 210. So the difference with the molded is like this. That's how the composition of the molded. Going back to the flush doors, the teak finish, teak, T-E-A-K, teak is 2,450, 80 by 210. The light one is 1,585, and the light ones are 1,580. So these are like, you can see there's a joint on the side. They're not solid.